First of all, I would like to say happy 88th Independence Day, straight from Meghalaya, Shillong.
देखो mine is normal Continental GT, and this guy is having a Code 6 Continental GT.
Okay, hi, this is Fernand Rani, aka Cody Freeman, and we're riding today for the Independence Day. And please subscribe.
The flag off is already done. Now I'm going to take my bike and join this amazing ride which is happening from State Central Library.
So hello people, it's me the ML05 guy from Shillong, and first of all I would like to say happy 88th Independence Day, straight from Meghalaya, Shillong. And right now I'm in my cousin brother's house and the view looks like this from here. So it's like we are going for a Royal Enfield ride, and the ride is going to start around, the flag off is going to start around 9 and the timing is around 8:46. So it's not like only 1 kilometer I think we have to go. I think only 1 kilometer from here. We'll have to reach to State Central Library, and there we are going to find too many bikers, somehow some random people, random beautiful people, and somehow the people which I have met in that what is that gentleman ride and that last time Royal Enfield ride. And here kids are flying kite. These it's like when we were used to be kid. So we used to get very excited, man, that tomorrow is Independence Day and we are going to fly kite. So after the ride, we are going to fly kite. We are like fully prepared of our friend circle. So when the ride will over, I'm definitely going to show you the scenario which we are going to make in our area because of those kites. So hope so the ride will be fun. This is going to be my first ever time that I'm going to ride from State Central Library. Hope so everything will be fit and fine.
And after a very long time I'm riding a little bit higher cc. This is known as 650cc. So you guys have seen only before. It is all possible because of my cousin brother who has provided me this amazing bike. He is riding that Hunter which I was riding last time in that Royal Enfield ride. And now I'm riding his Continental. Oh yeah. It will be amazing, man, because like these kind of rides used to be, especially I used to meet some new beautiful people, right? That is why. Oh boy, so yeah. Register. Code 6 or what? And this is how beautifully this place looks right now. So we'll have to register from here. Hello.
तू क्या लेके आया? MT लेके आया?
Continental or what? अब बाइक का नंबर याद है ना? अपना Continental.
Continental तो याद है.
शुक्रिया भाई जी. And we have got our first ever tea of the day.
A very unfortunate way, I have met one of the famous guys straight from Shillong. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm not so famous, man.
For me you are. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, hi, this is Fernand Rani, aka Cody Freeman, and we're riding today for the Independence Day. And please subscribe.
Like, it's my honor that I have got a chance to record this guy through this lens, and this is the bike which he is riding. So
It's a very old one. It's a very old one.
like what bike is it? Royal Enfield?
Yes, Royal Enfield is a standard 94.
94?
Yeah, 94.
Baap re baap.
Almost my age.
I was born in 2000.
Didn't pass it.
So it's how much time it took you to recreate this bike through your own thoughts?
It took me some time, yeah. I mean, it was all about riding and then change it in, ride it, and then if there's anything else that I wanted to do, so I just do it, gradually. But somehow it's all about riding, not just about doing things.
It's about showing your own thoughts towards in this kind of thing. So like which group you are representing? Ferdinand, Son of the Hill. Oh, he is representing Son of the Hill. And now from here the ride is going to be crazy, and I'm going to meet some more people out here which I am searching till now. Sir, chalo, have a good day. I hope I'll be able to record your bike.
yes,
Chalo,
yes.
buddy. Thanks. Okay. Chalo, man. Thanks.
Hey, come
Chalo.
in. You can also read stickers. This is like Maulai.
Oh, Maulai.
Right there, we got all the stickers and we got everything else.
Why
happening right there.
It's like you guys will not be able to know what actually the bike was and how beautifully he have created in his own thoughts.
And then this is the signature for today. This is freedom.
Oh, this is freedom.
Fits today is right now. This is freedom.
It was really nice meeting you. Hello, man. Take care. Have a good day and safe
Yes,
ride.
yes, super, super.
Nation, thank you so much, sir, for coming today. Thank you so much. I would like to brief everyone about today's route. We will start from State Central Library and proceed through Police Bazaar Road, followed by Shani Mandir. Then we'll proceed towards Maukhar Point, Garikhana, Barapani, and Barapani flyover. All riders are requested to maintain proper formation, follow traffic rules, avoid unnecessary overtaking, and ride responsibly throughout the route. Please stay with the group and follow the instructions of the ride marshals at all times. After reaching Barapani flyover, we will take the turn after the flyover and stop for a short break and a group photo session. After that, we will return via ISBT Road, followed by Maulai. Then we'll head towards Golf Lane, Polo, before concluding the ride at State Central Library. Thank you once again for joining us today. Ride safe, enjoy the journey, and let's make this memorable Independence Day ride. Jai Hind! Thank you.
So now we will proceed towards the flag off section along with our guests.
The audience is like, wow, man, wow. And the flag off is going to start from here. So I'm going to record the flag off also. The flag off is already done. Now I'm going to take my bike and join this amazing ride which is happening from State Central Library. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh yeah, let's go. Now the ride is going to be fun. देखो mine is normal Continental GT and this guy is having a Code 6 Continental GT. Bhai ji, Code 6.
Got a new bike?
No man, my cousin brother.
Nice.
So this guy is representing Cafe Racer with this amazing Royal Enfield. Which series bhai? कौन सा series?
Yeah, Classic 500 bro.
Oh nice. Oh boy. Some classic bikes are also out here. Amazing man, this looks so good. So whenever you people are going to ride in this kind of ride, right? Whenever you people are going to join this kind of ride, you people are going to get to see some very old bikes and a very new bike. The new bike is like mine only, and that behind it's like very old bike. And I have recorded some old bike in that State Central Library also. It's an honor for me, man. That I have joined, that they have allowed me to join this amazing ride straight from Shillong. So as usual, whenever we people will riding like this kind of, joining this kind of ride, we'll have to maintain so many distance, too much distance, and we'll have to be in a very proper manner. We'll have to ride in this kind of ride. Just see, we are not crossing this white line. This is known as the rhythm, straight from Meghalaya, Shillong. Here I'm in flyover
I came little bit forward to record this amazing view. Now just see the bikers out here, man. You guys will be amazed. Bye-bye. सर जी रुक जाओ, इन लोगों के साथ ही हूँ मैं, निकल रहा हूँ। अरे रुको, खाली रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ। गो 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 गो। ये we are not going on the top, we are going straight. Just for one round we have went there and now we are going back. I don't know exactly now where we are going to stop. Oh boy, this place looks so beautiful, man. Especially with all these beautiful riders out here, it looks more good. Now it's like whole day people will be saying to each other, bhai, there was a Royal Enfield ride, bhai, there was so many bikers. It's like, it was for me also a dream to have a bike, to have a camera and to have these kind of beautiful people on a ride, especially you all. It's all because of you all I'm riding on this group. If you all didn't supported me, I would have never thought to join this ride. So it's like now we are going to take a photo session out here, and here, hello, what's up? Hope you know this guy, man. And it was all possible because of these people that they have recorded. Oh, they have organized this amazing ride, and like it's my first ever time. It's like the
No, it's your second time.
No, this Independence with Royal Enfield first time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. It was like really appreciate for organizing this kind of amazing ride, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
And
coming.
like the second ride, you wanted to mention.
Yeah, it's one ride. It's one ride, guys. Please register yourself. It will be one of the biggest Royal Enfield motorcycle gathering. So make sure if you want to register yourself, please contact Royal Enfield showroom, Kidding Road, Singla.
Buddy, say hi, hello to the vlog.
Yo guys, how are you?
So hope you know this guy also, man.
Yeah, you guys should have known
And
me.
it was like amazing ride with you people.
Yeah.
Chalo, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Hope you know this guy, man. It's my third time I'm meeting this guy. First, I have met in.
Always everywhere.
Like first, I have met in the Gentleman ride. Oh no, first that Superbike ride, and the second time I have met him in that Gentleman ride, and this is my third ever time that I'm meeting this amazing guy. So would you like to say anything about this beautiful event?
It's a nice event. We get to meet new riders from all over the state and the neighboring states, and we get the army people also joining us for this ride, for this 80th Independence Day. And I just hope that everyone rides safe and enjoy the ride. That's it.
It was amazing meeting you, and
Thank you, bro.
have a beautiful
Always,
ride today.
Always, yeah.
Bhai, aajo yaar. So hope you know this guy, and yeah, Cafe Racer guy, be proud that he is representing you all out here. Yeah. So would you like to say anything about this beautiful event out here?
Actually, this happens every year, and it's a good thing that they are doing this every year, the Independence Day or Republic Day, and it's nice to join, like, you know, with all the RE riders.
It's more nice that me and these kind of people are meeting, all because of these kind of rides.
Yes.
Chalo man, have a blessed day.
Yeah, right.
So now we are going to have a photo session out here. She is going to take photo from the top of the tower. Now we will take left. From here we will be going to this is ISBT. From here we will be going to golf, and from golf to city, then city to State Central Library, back again. With all these beautiful riders out here. But this bike is also like really very good, man. It's like full raw. My both fingers and everything is like moving whenever I'm downshifting. Oh, so just see, भाई इतना दूर दूर तक बस हमारा ही बाइक है भाई. Full Royal Enfield, bro. Just see. Aya, भाई, my both hands are moving. Aya. It's like vibrating, bhai, whenever I'm downshifting. But this is American Jeep. The steering is on left side. देख रहे हो, दिस इज एन अमेरिकन जीप. Sir got happy भाई, seeing all these beautiful riders. Yeah. It was amazing ride with all these beautiful riders. It was beautifully organized, man. चलो टेक केयर. सर जी मिलते हैं अब कोई और रॉयल एनफील्ड राइड में. चलो टेक केयर. हाँ ओके. So back home with a beautiful smile. So as I have said you भाई, that when we people will be back home, we are going to fly kite. तो ये हम लोग का पूरा सेटअप रेडी हो चुका है. देख रहे हो इस बार, देख रहे हो मतलब ऐसा हुआ ना, मतलब आफ्टर लोग. हाँ
ये कौन है? ये पर्पल वाला?
अबे ये नीचे का ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी. अबे हटाना है तुम. लगा
तो है कि
हटाना है. कैसा करेगा, ऑप्शन नहीं है. तो लाइक लास्ट टाइम राइट व्हेन देयर वाज लॉकडाउन इन शिलोंग, इट वाज लाइक हम लोग उसी टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा पतंग देखा था. और आज जो है ना, आज काफ़ी सालों के बाद इतना सारा पतंग दिख रहा है हम लोगों के यहाँ. और हम लोग सब रेडी है. देखो यहाँ नीचे से एक उड़ा रहा है, एक ये उड़ा रहा है, और काफ़ी सारा लोग वहाँ ऊपर से उड़ा रहा है. तो वी आर लाइक प्रीटी हैप्पी विद दिस फॉर दिस 80th इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम मेघालय शिलोंग. तो ये हम लोग का एक पतंगबाज. ठीक है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू एंड द वीडियो हियर ओनली मैन, बिकॉज इट इज़ अराउंड 2:30 समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो हम लोग भाई 4 या 5 बजे तक भाई पतंग उड़ाएंगे. तो होप सो यू पीपल लाइक दिस वीडियो. तो लाइक कमेंट एंड जो क्या बोलता है लाइक कमेंट के बाद सब्सक्राइब. हाँ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है.